demonstration, I'm going to enhance a photo and then layer two photos together using the Snapseed app on the iPhone. So first thing is to open it. Now you predefine photos from your your photo directory to use within the app. So if I tap anywhere to add a photo, I keep the current selection because I've selected photos already, and I can scroll through. I'm going to click on one of my orange pictures and just do a basic enhancement. So you have some looks, tools and export. If you go through the looks, you can have a load of predefined filters. If you go to tools, you have a bit more control. So let's go to tune image firstly. Tools, tune image, and there are different controls that I have. So if I click on the contrast, I can slide the slider left and right, so I can make the exposure a little bit darker. I can then click on saturation. I can remove all colour by reducing it totally, or I can turn the saturation up a little bit, giving some really nice textures on the oranges there. When you're happy, or you've got an automatic button as well, the magic wand. If you click the tick when you're happy with your selection of filter, then if you go to tools again, what we can do, we can go down and we can have a look at double exposure. This enables us to add a photograph. At the bottom of the screen, there's the add photo icon. Click on that and we can click on another photograph to include. And we can't actually see it at the moment. So what we need to do, click on the drip, which is the opacity. We can turn it up and down so we can see the new image superimposed onto the old. There are some defaults as well that we can look at. Some presets, so you can go darken, lighten, subtract, add. So a load that you can choose from. I'm going to keep it on this one, so I click the tick when I'm happy with it. And that's my composite image. One of the other things I can do, I could go back, I could add more photos, or I'm going to do some fine tuning. I'm going to look at curves, and we can begin to adjust some contrast variation in the photograph. When I'm happy with it, I tick. I could add, as I say, I can add more layers or a whole variety of things. The best way is to experiment with it. It's quite nice and intuitive, with some quite similar features to those that you'd expect on Photoshop and Photopea. So when I'm happy with my picture, I click export. I can then press save and modify. So it's saving the modified photograph. The save is successful. And that's how you do a multi-layer exposure on the app.